Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can set your iPhone to 4G. Since most face the issue of having a slow internet on the iPhone and at the mobile phone's devices, I'm gonna show you on how you can set 4G on your iPhone and have your internet going fast. So let's start by opening settings. So after having it open, you can see that you have so many options to choose from. So simply click on cellular. So after having it open, click on cellular data options. So now we have other options to choose from to set your phone to 4G. Simply click on here voice and data. And now as you can see, if we have both LTE and 3G, so choose LTE and your phone will be set to 4G. So from now on your phone have a faster internet than before. Also don't forget to turn VoLTE on, because it supports your audio quality. So thanks for watching, and if you're new, please make sure you subscribe for more videos.